Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on ERIT Academy. So today we are going to discuss very important component of geography, mineral geography, जहाँ पे हम बात करते हैं important minerals की, and why it is important because this question has been asked by UPSC in the recent exam, that is 2024. Yes, this exam from which we have taken today's question has been conducted by UPSC on 19th of January 2024 and today is 29th February 2024 और ये क्वेश्चन यूपीएससी ने पूछा है जो हमें डेफिनेटली पता होना चाहिए बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम यूपीएससी इज आस्किंग, दे हैव आस्क्ड लाइक दिस इन यूपीएससी सीएससी और भी अलग एग्जाम्स में. सो अगेन टुडे we will reiterate how important PYQs are for the preparation. So let's have a look at the question and then we will understand it with the help of the question. So here is the question for us. The question is, which of the two following states are leading producers of bauxite in India as per the annual report of Ministry of Mines 2022-2023? Yes, this is the latest report which has been released by Ministry of Mines. तो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ माइंस की जो लेटेस्ट रिपोर्ट है उसके हिसाब से बॉक्साइट के लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसिंग स्टेट्स कौन से हैं? ओडिशा, छत्तीसगढ़, दो ही होने हैं कॉम्बिनेशन, ओडिशा, छत्तीसगढ़, झारखंड. सो 1 2 1 3 1 4 2 4. यू शुड नो द आंसर क्योंकि दिस इज वेरी वेरी पॉपुलर. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, इफ यू आर अ रेगुलर फॉलोअर ऑफ आवर वेबसाइट एंड इफ यू आर फॉलोइंग us since the very first day, then let me tell you that we have already discussed this. Yes, this question we have discussed it on our YouTube channel where the question was aluminum is manufactured from what? So bauxite ore से क्या निकलता है? Aluminium निकलता है. This question was asked by UPSC in another exam. With the help of this question we have discussed the complete profile of बॉक्साइट की कब आया, कहाँ है, कौन लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसिंग है, उसका एप्लीकेशन कहाँ है, सब कुछ हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया है. सो लेट्स हैव अ लुक हियर. सो एल्युमिनियम ओडिशा 50%, कलहंदी, कोरापुट, बारगढ़, गुजरात 50%. तो फर्स्ट और सेकंड दोनों में डिफरेंस देखिए, एक 50% है, जो सेकंड रैंक पे था वो 15%. देन इसकी जो एप्लीकेशन है, एप्लीकेशन फॉइल्स, यूटेंसिल्स, विंडोज, फ्रेम्स, एरोप्लेन पार्ट्स, ये भी हमने देखा. वी हैव आल्सो डिस्कस्ड अबाउट कोडरमा, Andhra Pradesh with respect to mica, with respect to manganese, India is second largest, Maharashtra and MP together they produce 50%. तो ये वीडियो आप देख लीजिएगा और भी मिनरल्स आपके कवर हो जाएंगे. बट हेयर द पॉइंट विच वी वांट टू रीट्रेट इज कि कैसे यूपीएससी पीवाईक्यूज को ही अलग तरीके से पूछ रहा है. द क्वेश्चन was with respect to aluminium, but the way we cover it, if we cover it like this in 360-degree manner, reverse engineering, holistic analysis if we do, then the question which has been asked by UPSC in the recent exam will be easy for us. Aluminium किससे निकलता है? बॉक्साइट ओर से. बॉक्साइट का लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर, we did our 360-degree analysis and we have reiterated here. And the way UPSC has asked in 2024 is कि लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर कौन है? So let's have a look at the annual report 22-23. According to this annual report, we should know some other facts as well कि बॉक्साइट के रेस्पेक्ट में अगर देखें, so India is ग्लोबल लेवल पे, वर्ल्ड लेवल पे क्वांटिटी इज this much, India is producing this much and contribution is approx 5% in the global contribution and India's ranking is at 6th level. Highest producer जो है ऑस्ट्रेलिया है, right? So अभी India 6th level पे है. So this is one report. If they ask in civil services at this level कि भाई statement ही दे दिया कि India किस rank पे है, so that also we have covered. Now if we have to see exactly with respect to states, so we can have a look here. The production of bauxite was there how much, and then Odisha accounted for 73% of total output of bauxite during 21-22. This is with respect to 21-22, and followed by Gujarat 8.97, followed by Jharkhand 8.04%. So now our answer is very clear, that is Odisha and Gujarat. So my dear students, the point which we are trying to reiterate through the recently conducted exam by UPSC, I will take more questions from this paper which has been conducted recently, that annual reports are very important. But point of caution is that you should not read these reports cover to cover. अब सारे आप analysis नहीं कर लोगे सारे minerals की, which is largest producer, which is not largest producer. ठीक है, इन्होंने UPSC ने पूछा इस क्वेश्चन को because be it bauxite, aluminium का हो गया, coal हो गया, these are some traditional ores, traditional minerals, पुराने मिनरल्स हैं. दिस यू शुड कवर द मिनरल्स विच आर इन न्यूज, स्पेशली द रेयर अर्थ मिनरल्स या lithium, last year it was in news. So जो ऐसे rare चीजें हैं और whichever is coming in the current affairs, we should not miss that and the traditional ones. ये आप NCERTs में जो मिनरल्स दिए हैं उनको रिपोर्ट से निकाल के भले ही पढ़ लो, but don't read the report cover to cover. End to end आपको पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. So annual reports are important, but it doesn't mean that you should read all the annual reports of all the ministries by all the ministries. Not at all, right? And the way the question has been framed is very very basic. अगर आप ट्रेडिशनली भी पुराने अपने सोर्सेज से भी पढ़ेंगे तो हो जाएगा. नाउ लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट बॉक्साइट. व्हाट इज बॉक्साइट? सो बॉक्साइट इज अ नेचुरली अकरिंग मिनरल एंड इट इज अ इंपॉर्टेंट ओर जहां से एल्युमिनियम निकलता है. एंड द डिपॉजिट्स ऑफ बॉक्साइट्स आर फाउंड वेयर? दे आर फाउंड मेनली इन लैटराइट सॉइल्स. या लैटराइट जो टॉप ऑफ जो मिनरल हिल्स के टॉप पे होता है वहां पाया जाता है. कैपिंग ऑन द हिल्स, प्लेट्यूज, एक्सेप्ट इन कोस्टल एरियाज ऑफ गुजरात एंड गोवा. गुजरात और गोवा के कोस्टल एरियाज में एक एक्सेप्शन है बॉक्साइट का पाया जाना. ठीक है. सो दिस इज अबाउट बॉक्साइट. वी शुड नो अबाउट कच्छ बॉक्साइट. सो द कच्छ बॉक्साइट of Gujarat is a low grade ore due to low alumina with high iron and silica content. हमने देखा ही कि वो एक्सेप्शन है कोस्टल एरियाज में, तो वहाँ आयरन और सिलिका भी पाया जाता है. सो कच्छ बॉक्साइट डिपॉजिट्स आर डिफरेंट इन दिस मैनर. एल्यूमिनियम. अब बॉक्साइट ओर से क्या निकल रहा है? एल्यूमिनियम निकल रहा है. एल्यूमिनियम की एप्लीकेशन वी शुड नो. इट इज यूज्ड इन ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, पैकेजिंग, फूड, केमिकल प्रोसेसिंग, एनर्जी जनरेशन, इलेक्ट्रिक ट्रांसमिशन में भी एल्यूमिनियम यूज होता है. So whenever you are covering such things, especially in the context of the minerals which are in news, जो rare हैं और like कहीं और पाए गए हैं. For example, collatin एक पाया गया है केनिया में. Cobalt last year it was in news. This year this traditional minerals are also in news. So we should know about them. Now let's revisit the question again. So now here is the answer. Answer is Odisha and Gujarat. Odisha and Gujarat is 1 and 4. Our 1 and 4 is C. Right? So my dear students, the point we have reiterated is PYQs are important. The way UPSC is asking that will differ according to the difficulty level of that particular exam. Second point is, whenever you are covering PYQs, do your 360-degree analysis, do the reverse engineering, and if you are doing like this, you will be able to cover the information. अगर वो क्वेश्चन जो मैंने दिखाया था, जो आप लोगों ने हमारी वीडियो में 2022 की वीडियो है, अगर आपने उसको ध्यान दिया होगा, अप्रैल 2022 की, the way we have covered this answer also, you can mark it right? And if you are struggling, let me tell you that our strategies have paid us very good result in the past. So in PYQs, I am telling you that we discussed in 2022 36 videos. हम 36 videos लेके आए थे. 8 questions came from that. 2023 में we were running our current affairs classes and PYQ videos. 30 plus questions came. And this year we have also launched our PYQ based prelims test series. Yes, because इस तरीके की जो reverse engineering होती है, 360 degree analysis होती है, as an aspirant we have limitation. So we have started our PYQ based very unique prelims test series, which is very different from the conventional test series, where we are giving you 37 tests, which includes 27 sectional test and 10 full length test, current affair exclusive test, current affair exclusive questions in every test. So I would say that if you want to break the trend and if you want to understand UPSC's mindset, psyche on the basis of latest pattern, then you are most welcome. Our students are appreciating and they are finding our question paper difficulty level is intermediate and advanced level. So it is very close to UPSC because they are based on PYQs. It is not traditional conventional test series which is available in the market and which people are following. Popularly is being followed कि नहीं ठीक है ये ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं. So it is not like that. आपको जो बेसिक चीज़ें हैं बुक से पढ़ के आने वाली वो उस टेस्ट सीरीज में मिल जाती हैं. But you will not get the questions of that difficulty level जो UPSC पूछ रहा है. So you're most welcome. You can try out. You can have a look at sample questions and you can approach us to discuss in detail about this. Also, if you are struggling with current affairs, as I told that we have our own current affairs program which has paid last year very good result. 30 plus questions came and with proof we have discussed it on YouTube as well. Let me tell you, in the recent exam which has been conducted by UPSC 2024 19th March को उसमें भी हमारे current affairs class which we are running for 2024 questions has come. I will discuss it one day. Through that we will cover one topic definitely, but we will discuss, then you will get to know. right? So you're most welcome. All the best and take care. Revise very well. Do not ignore PYQs and take care of your holistic preparation. See you all. Bye-bye.